Hey fam, we're Grace Note, and you're tuned into Easy Rock. Isang araw, nagmamaneho sa Cubao, pip pip pip, pip pip pip, may nakita, babaeng saksaka ng ganda. Wow! Yes, lumalabas ang edad natin, guys.
Go, Tatsi!
Let's go, Tatsi!
Naalala ko sa Click movie
Yes!
ni Adam Sandler.
Hey now, hey,
Hey now.
now, don't dream it's over. Hey now,
Pensionado!
ulat din ako. Yun lang. Lang ba? Kimi lang bawal yun.
Magbablahan tayo.
Ibabalik kita. Grabe, ang daming hook,
Dami.
no? Ang daming hook.
Mapatay lang ako.
Oo.
Ganda, favorite ko yan.
Magaling. Great song.
Hi guys, again, we're Grace Note. Follow us on our socials and don't forget to stream our latest album, Walang Makakapigil, out everywhere. See you guys around. Kita-kits sa gig. Gusto nyo maging updated, follow nyo lang kami sa socials.
And also, I hope you can watch our latest music video that we released, Phoebe. It's also part of Walang Makakapigil album.
Remember someone today with Grace Note.
Bye!
Bye, fam.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.